Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today we're going to have a look at this match that was played yesterday evening, and it was against a very promising a very promising team with high skills, as you can see, but with low routine. The problem is this: we lost 1-0 anyway, and the opponents could reach 52% ball possession. We had 48 ball possession instead, 48% ball possession instead. And what's more bizarre, at least in my opinion, is the fact that they could shoot 9 times and we can shoot only 2. So this, in my opinion, is somewhat bizarre. There might probably be a little bad luck here, because we were stronger on the wings, as you can see, not by far, but we were stronger with the midfield as well. The only problem with this kind of match is that we had only one striker against 3 central defenders and 1 defensive midfielder. Plus, the opponents had very good strikers, despite their low routine. Had way higher qualities and skills than our defenders. So, yeah, somewhat bizarre though. Well, I can accept the defeat, of course, but it's somewhat bizarre that we couldn't overcome the opponent's ball possession. It looks somewhat bizarre to me, but we'll see. It was probably the playing at home factor that played a role here, but we'll see in the future of this campaign. So, 3 shots on target for the opponents, 1 shot on target only for us, and out of those 3 shots, the opponents could score ones, which is not an extremely high scoring ratio, but it's not that bad either. I was hoping Olivieri could do a little bit better, to be honest, but again, this guy has to grow his own routine, and in the future I'm pretty sure we'll see him improving a lot. Then 5 set pieces for the opponents, 3 set pieces for us, 2 yellow cards for them, and 4 yellow cards for us, which is again a little bit higher than average, but that's who we are. I mean, at least 2 or 3 yellow cards have to be obtained for every single match. We have to improve a lot in terms of discipline on the pitch, I'm afraid. Then let's have a look at the standings. So we have not dropped down too much. We're still in the 4th position, and after 6 matches we have 13 points, which is good. I'm hoping we'll reach the 44-45 points mark as soon as possible, because we can't really afford to be relegated this season. We just cannot. So I'm really hoping that we'll be able to get those 45 points as soon as possible. At the moment, in terms of goals conceded, we have a good defense, I believe. Again, we've just started with this campaign, so the stats and the points do not mean much at this point in time, but they can somehow give out some signals. As you can see, 6 matches are not a lot, definitely not a lot, but I mean, in terms of pure statistics, it does not look like too little either. So let's wait and see what's going to happen, in particular on Wednesday, and hopefully we'll have a very good training session tomorrow. So guys, unless there's any particular piece of news tomorrow, then just stay tuned and wait for the video that will come out on Wednesday, because that will be the day when we'll be playing when we play our next match, and it's going to be extremely important, of course, to get back on track. So thanks a lot again for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.